Morning, guys. As you can see, we're back here at the tourism shed. You might be wondering why that is. So last week on Friday, I was actually pouring concrete for that shop that we're building, and we got a lot of wind. It was super windy, and the roof on this side over here, the shingles pulled up. They blew upwards. They didn't fall off. So I'm here today to fix it. I came back actually last week, and I used a bottle of roof tar. And it's tarred up, but you can see these tar spots here from about this line right here. These shingles all kind of curled up. They were leaning back on these other shingles over here. So this whole corner needs to get replaced, and you can see I just lathered it in roof tar to try and stick them down. So I'm gonna have to replace this shingle, this one, this little one, maybe this one, and this little one as well. So just doing a little bit of roof repairs today. I'll strap a GoPro to my head and show you exactly what that looks like. The first thing I'm going to do here is get some gloves on. Get all that blackjack up there. I want to get it everywhere. Got a garbage bag set up here. Put all the shingles in. And I'm going to take a pry bar, maybe this putty knife, a bunch of shingles here. So this one goes all the way back to here. I'm going to remove this whole one here. See how much blackjack I put on there last time to get it stuck down. Underneath these ones too. That stuff looks good. Okay, so I don't think I need to replace that one, but I do need to get under it to take them old shingles off. That one free. This one's mostly free. Gotta be careful here. I want to replace more than I need to. This one's good. I just need to get under it so I can get those nails out. I think this one will actually come out now. Part of it. There's one. And oh yeah, there's a nail there. There, that's off. Must be another one over here. Two. There we go. First pop. There, that one's gone. And so this one I'm gonna keep. This one and this one gotta be replaced. And this one, I think that's it. So 4 shingles. one's a full shingle. Should actually hit a few nails in that one first, but and that one. Put a couple nails in. So yeah, that one's a full shingle. Actually get that one put in there. There we go. There we go. Back up. There. Get some nails in there now. We got the top end of our shingles nailed back down and tarred. Press it down nice. So now nailed that one. This one is our new shingle that we put on, so it has no nails in it. I need to nail it down completely. From this way, that way my cut side is over here on the gable, so 15.5 is here, and here. Okay, 15.5. There, got it. Done. It'll be nice and sunny out today, so all of these parts will soften up and sit down nice on that blackjack. That's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to these corners. I'm going to pull up the corner a little bit and get some blackjack under all of it. So there you can see, finished up. I put blackjack on all the corners, not just the corner that blew up. Did these corners too, and the back ones. Just hopefully another windstorm doesn't pick them up again. And that's it.